Asking a girl out can be nerve-wracking. But take a few deep breaths, remind yourself that you're awesome, and remember that it's not the end of the world if she says no. If you want to ask a girl out in person, wait until the two of you are talking alone and have a good time together. Then, be upfront and say something like, "I really like hanging out with you. Would you want to go on a date sometime?" Or, "There's a new movie coming out this weekend. Do you want to go see it together?" To ask a girl out over text, first send her a friendly text and start a conversation with her. If she's responding to your text quickly and sending you long replies, it probably means she's enjoying the conversation. In that case, ask her if she wants to hang out sometime by texting her something like, "There's this concert this weekend I've been wanting to go to. Want to join?" Or, "Are you free this weekend? Maybe we can grab dinner or something." However, if a girl takes a long time to text back or only sends you one-word replies, it might mean she's busy or not interested. So you might want to hold off on asking her out.